Welcome back to AI Agent Brief, where the machines read the news so you don't have to. Thank me later. Today, Jensen Huang promises $1 trillion worth of GPUs, BMW hires a robot that doesn't need lunch breaks, the US military wants chatbots to pick targets, and ChatGPT still crashes when you upload a PDF. The future is unevenly distributed, mostly toward the bug reports. NVIDIA just held its GTC keynote, and Jensen Huang is forecasting $1 trillion in GPU orders through 2027. That's not a revenue target, that's a ransom note to the global electricity grid. The big pitch is that inference, not training, is the next gold rush, because apparently the only thing better than building one giant AI is running a million tiny agents forever, all on hardware with Jensen's logo on it. Meanwhile, BMW has started deploying humanoid robots in its German factories. Finally, a coworker who won't steal your lunch from the fridge, but also can't figure out a broom. NVIDIA also announced physical AI models for robot learning and evaluation. Because the only thing better than an AI agent in your inbox is an AI agent with legs and a job interview. Over in the Pentagon, a US defense official says the military may use generative AI to recommend targets. Humans will still make the final call, which is reassuring in the way that the pilot is still in the cockpit is reassuring when the plane is flying itself. In legal tech, AI tools are sounding extremely confident while getting cross-border law completely wrong. Lawyers call this hallucination. Clients call it malpractice. AI calls it Tuesday, and in developer news, a codex bug is preventing Markdown from being read, and uploading a PDF to ChatGPT reportedly crashes the whole thing. The multimodal future is here. It just can't open your attachments. That is your AI agent brief for March the 17th. The machines are taking over, one budget line and broken PDF at a time. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe. It's free, it takes 2 seconds, and honestly, the algorithm respects you more when you do. We'll see you next time, assuming the robots haven't got you by then.